Welcome, y'all. On this Vegas NOLA Man, a tour of Frenchmen Street in New Orleans, and a walk through Washington Square, plus a stop at Dat Dog for some awesome happy hour deals. Kick it! Located next to the French Quarter, Frenchmen Street is best known for its three-block section of music venues and businesses in the Faubourg Marigny neighborhood. Originally, New Orleans was the French Quarter surrounded by plantations. When the city needed to expand in the early 1800s, Creole plantation owner Bernard du Marigny had his property subdivided and developed as a neighborhood. Faubourg is an ancient French word meaning suburb, and that's why the neighborhood is called Faubourg Marigny. The hip bohemian vibe of Frenchmen Street today is the result of artists, musicians, and people of the gay community that came here in the 1970s and 80s. On the right here is Checkpoint Charlie, a bohemian bar with live music, pool, and a backroom laundromat. Next up, Vaso, temporarily closed at the time of this recording, however, is a late-night lounge featuring live jazz and blues, cocktails, and Cajun and Creole eats. Located in the brightly colored building just ahead is Louisiana Music Factory, a record store featuring new and used vinyl, CDs, t-shirts, unique items, and more. Next up is Downtown Tattoos and Piercing. The Rambler is a cozy bar that features frozen Irish coffee. Up next is 13, a narrow bar with an open kitchen that offers late night eats. On the right is the Hotel Frenchmen Orleans at 519. A few of the businesses in this video are temporarily closed or going through transition. This video was recorded during the pandemic after Hurricane Ida. And here's Favela Chic, a casual fun bar featuring Mexican eats, pizza, and live music. I just love the artwork that they have on the exterior of this building. Next up is Dat Dog, sausages, comfort food, cocktails, and beer. Monday through Friday from 4 to 7 p.m., Dat Dog has happy hour specials, featuring $5 hot dogs, $3 cocktails, and $1 off any craft beer pint. I selected the Beer for Dinner hot dog special, which is a Guinness Stout infused bratwurst, topped off with sauerkraut and Creole mustard on that incredible Dat Dog bun, and paired it up with a Parish Canebrake Wheat Ale by the Parish Brewing Company, brewed with sugarcane syrup. Dat Dog is awesome. Apple Barrel is a small bar that features live music in a funky space decorated by dollar bills. Adolfo's is an Italian restaurant with Creole Cajun flair in a quaint small setting. The space on the right is used for Art Garden Floating Gallery, a nighttime open-air art market. Here is the Spotted Cat Music Club, an intimate jazz venue with live acts on a tiny stage for a standing room crowd. Coming up on the left is the Royal Frenchman Hotel and Bar that features live music in the courtyard. And here is Washington Square, a wonderful place to visit and relax. In this beautiful historic Faubourg Marigny neighborhood. Located in Washington Square is the New Orleans AIDS Memorial. The stones are inscribed with the names of lost loved ones as well as the people honored for their efforts in fighting the disease. Now going down the other side of Frenchmen Street and heading towards the French Quarter, here's Marigny Brasserie, tasteful Creole and American fare in a sunny bistro space with creative cocktails and sidewalk dining. Next is Frenchmen All Day, a cafe open from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. that serves breakfast. Snug Harbor Jazz Bistro offers live jazz and upscale Creole fare in an intimate brick-walled space that dates back to the 1800s. Next is Michael's Bicycle Shop. You may have noticed a lot of bicycles around because driving in New Orleans is bad for your car. Here is DBA Nightclub, temporarily closed, an intimate night spot pouring craft beers and hosting an eclectic lineup of live music. Here is Electric Ladyland Tattoo. Cafe Negrel is a funky music bar with finger food and a dance floor. Frenchman Grocery Deli is open late night and is a great place to grab a po' boy, beer, and convenience items. And here's the oldest venue in the area, Frenchmen Art and Books, an indie-style bookstore with a large selection of new and used titles and prints. Willie's Chicken Shack is one of 8 locations throughout Bourbon Street and the French Quarter. It's a touristy place offering fried chicken, pizza, and pre-made frozen cocktails. Three Muses is a cozy little bar and eatery that showcases live jazz. Temporarily closed at the time of this recording, Blue Nile is a live music bar that hosts a range of acts, from blues, funk, to brass bands. Next up is 30 by 90 Degrees, named after the nautical coordinates of New Orleans, an American restaurant with a modern interior that features live blues and jazz music. Bamboula's is a casual, fun Caribbean Creole restaurant with live music. Here is Maison, an upbeat, roomy music club with 3 stages that offers drinks and dancing. The next few businesses are in transition and hopefully will be opening soon. Now going down Frenchmen Street to where it ends at Esplanade Avenue. Here is the Frenchman Hotel and the Yard on Frenchmen Street, a patio bar and grill. Just beyond that is the New Orleans Jazz Museum and the French Quarter. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.